Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, August 6th. We continue reading from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening. Today's essay is called Holding in the Belly. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Swami Shivananda. The inward battle against our mind, our wounds, and the residues of the past is more terrible than any outward battle. The inward battle against our mind, our wounds, and the residues of the past is more terrible than any outward battle. I saw a sea otter rolling in the bay. It held a crab against its belly, and while on its back, it would eat a piece, then press the crab to its belly again and turn over and swim some more. This stayed with me for days until I realized that I have been living like this otter, holding the uneaten part of my shell to my belly as I roll through the deep. And of course, it is impossible to swim freely while holding dead-shelled things so tightly. Indeed, trying to move on and eat the past at the same time is the cause of many ulcers. Realizing this made me stop and face the sadness of old wounds that I was holding tightly in my belly. It made me understand yet again that while we try to integrate inner and outer experiences, while we aspire to such a oneness, the work is often one at a time, facing ourselves without going anywhere, not nibbling at the ailing soul on the run. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. And remind yourself that this moment is good enough just the way it is. Nothing needs fixing. Not your breath, not you, not the moment itself. So keep your breath nice and soft, completely natural, and see if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, which may lead to a sense of freedom in your whole being, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to reflect if there is a strain between your doing and your being, a strain from trying to tend something in your life while on the move to the next thing. If there is such a strain, if you sense it, see if you can stop and face what is in your belly. Are you holding it tensely, tightly? Can you soften your belly, figuratively and literally? Can you give yourself the grace and time to tend to what you need first and then continue wherever you're going? Now take a nice deep breath in and allow your inner and outer tension go in the same direction. How does that feel? And now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with a lot of gratitude for being here, for your dedication, your discipline. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day-to-day, I invite you to continue with this reflection and explore some more. What is it that you're holding too tightly in your belly? Can you release the grip? Can you do one thing at a time? First, tend to what you need, and then move on. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you on Thursday.